Hey everybody, this week we're excited to announce the release of a new timing chain oil pump kit. Kit part number is TOPK 1024HV. What we've got here is a timing chain VVT oil pump kit that fits 2007 to 2011 Ford 3.5 and 3.7 liter engines. Include OE quality or better VVT actuator sprockets, VVT solenoids, chains, tensioners, guides, and a Melling manufactured high volume oil pump. If you're looking to replace the timing and oil pump on your 3.5 or 3.7 liter Ford engine, make sure you check us out. Timing chain oil pump kits, we've got those.